Hi there, I'm so happy you're here with me. It is 6 p.m. on a Monday evening, and Rich and I have worked pretty hard today. We're tired and we're hungry. And we didn't really plan anything for dinner, which doesn't happen too often, but today it happened. So I thought to myself, what can we make that's gonna be really delicious, really quick? And I thought Italian chopped salad. We eat these quite a bit. It's a staple around our house. So think of the best Italian sandwich you ever had made into a salad without the bread, of course, even the gluten-free bread. So we're going sans bread 100%. So I'm going to chop up all the vegetables and the meats, and then when I've got it all into my pan or my bowl, I'm going to show you a couple tricks with the dressing. You can do a vinaigrette or you can do a creamy vinaigrette, and I'm going to show you how to make a really quick and easy creamy vinaigrette. So before I start chopping, I just want to tell you what I've got here. Romaine lettuce, I've got red onion, Roma tomatoes, black olives, ham, pepperoni, and salami. And then I'm going to call it a secret ingredient. It kind of is. That you'll find out later on the top of it that's going to take this salad from just some chopped veggies and meats to this amazing Italian level. So I'm going to get in and start chopping. Okay, so as you just saw, I chopped everything up. You might have noticed as along the way with some of the ingredients, I would chop a little, throw it in, chop a little, throw it in. That's how I know what my ratios are. So I'm gonna give you some targets in the recipe, which is going to be in the description below, but you can put more or less or any of these ingredients. I want you to make this salad like you wanna make this salad. This is just a guideline. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take a tong and I am going to mix my chopped salad together to get all the ingredients nicely combined, which that's looking pretty good there. And now we're going to work on some dressing. So I have 2 vinaigrettes here. This is Boarhead's deli dressing, which is absolutely amazing. There's not much left in here, but it is completely wonderfully amazing, spectacular. And then this is my Italian vinaigrette, which the recipe is here on YouTube and the website, and the link is right here, which I absolutely adore too. Either of these would work. The point being, you can make a dressing yourself or you can buy a dressing. This is gluten-free, dairy-free, good to go. Maybe you have another favorite vinaigrette you can use. So you use whatever you want. I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do with my vinaigrette dressing. So first thing, I always keep it in a squeeze bottle because you have to shake a vinaigrette. And so I've got it in here and I'm shaking it up. And this salad's gonna feed 2 of us, probably some leftovers. So I am going to put about, I don't know, maybe, okay, so I've got about, I don't know, a half a cup. Again, this is gonna be your discretion. You do how you do best. How's that sound? Okay, I love a creamy vinaigrette. I like the vinaigrette as it is, but for some reason with this salad, I like a creamy vinaigrette. So you can take any vinaigrette, put it in a bowl or a measuring cup, and then add a little mayonnaise. I'm adding about probably a teaspoon and a half of mayonnaise. And I'm gonna mix it up really, really well. You're gonna wanna whisk it well to get the big parts out of there. Now, I don't know if you can see that. That's a good creamy. I think a teaspoon and a half is going to be good. I'm going to call that good to go. I'm going to put my mayonnaise aside here. Put this aside. Clean up my mess here a bit. Okay. And so I have a secret ingredient here. We're going to get to that in a minute. So we could just serve from this bowl, but I kind of want to make it pretty in a serving dish. So I'm grabbing a serving dish. And we've already mixed it up, but this is going to give us an opportunity to mix it up some more. And it's going to make such a beautiful presentation. I mean, seriously, this salad is going to feed more than Rich and I. Maybe we should just like go invite a neighbor or something. This is a big salad. And so this would be a great way to present it to your family if you have more than, 1 or 2 people eating it. Okay, I gotta get all the bits out of here because this is where all the goodness is. Nothing left behind. Okay, I think I have everything. And then I'm just gonna kind of spread things around as I see for the best presentation. Looks like I need a little better distribution here. Okay, almost absolutely perfect. Secret ingredient. Marconi mild giardiniera. I love giardiniera. It's got this amazing tangy flavor to it. It's very spicy. I don't do spicy, so when I found this mild giardiniera, I buy like 2-4 bottles at a time because I love it. And then I found it on Amazon, so now that's where I buy it, just in case the little shop that I buy it at ever runs out. So I'll put the link to it down below. They have both the hot and the mild, so if you're not a spicy person like me, get the mild. If you like spicy, get the hot. So in case you don't know what giardiniera is, I like to call it an Italian pickled concoction, but it consists of celery, cauliflower, peppers, carrots, and gherkins. And it's absolutely delicious. All I have left, I am out. Somehow I am caught with no extra bottles of giardiniera. And so you know what I'm gonna do as soon as I'm done with this video is go to Amazon and order me some giardiniera. Okay, so we've got that on top. And again, use as much or as little as you want. I'm gonna stir up my dressing a little more. And then because I have it in the measuring cup, this is gonna be easy. And I am going to pour it on. I'm not gonna put a ton on here because if you're sharing this, you don't know how much salad dressing people want on their salad. So put a little bit on basically for plating, for looks, and then serve the rest with dinner. And so I would like to add a little more garnish here. And so I'm chopping up some more olives. I think that's gonna be really nice on the top. Presentation is very important. I know sometimes it's kind of like, this is my family. I do this every night. Why do I have to make it look good? And I feel you. I'm there with you many times. But it's I find a lot of joy in the presentation, and it makes me happy. So that's probably why I do it as well. But you might want to be careful. If you make your food look too good every night, your family may expect it. So, you know, proceed with caution. Okay, there is my garnish. One last thing I'm going to add to make it even more Italian, if I can get the jar open, is a little oregano. That's just going to add a little more flavor to it. Okay, there we go. How long did that take? Not long at all. I present to you Italian chopped salad. Gluten-free, dairy-free, absolutely delicious. And speaking of dairy, if you are a dairyful person and can eat dairy, by all means, add some cheese to this. What would I add? I might add some provolone. I might add some Parmesan. I might add both.
Mozzarella.
Yeah, Rich just suggested mozzarella would be good too. So yeah, add some, fresh mozzarella on this would be amazing. So if you can eat cheese, please eat some for me. But if you can't, this is going to be an amazing salad, even without the cheese. So again, the recipe will be in the description below. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked it, hit that like button. And if you haven't subscribed already, do that and hit the notification bell so you are one of the first to know when we release videos, which is every Wednesday and Sunday as our cooking videos. And until next time, happy eating.